Welcome to the virtual environment of the Catalan courses. To follow this course, you will need two platforms. The first one is Teams, which will be used to communicate with the teacher and the rest of the students and to follow the online classes. The second one is Moodle, where you will find the grammar summary and the activities. In order to get into the course, you have to open the Teams app from your CPNL email or from the desktop version that has been previously downloaded. When you get into the classroom, the first thing you will see is the publications area of the general channel, where the teacher will be writing the most important information. In the left-hand column, there are the main Teams tools. Take a look at the most important ones. On the activity icon will appear the notifications about the new posts on the channels. The chat will be used to talk to the teacher or to the other students outside the classroom. On the Teams icon, you will see all your activated Teams, including your Catalan course. On the calendar, you will see the classes scheduled by your teacher, which you will be able to attend by clicking on their link. Finally, if you wish to speak to other students or your teacher, you can do it from the calls icon. Below the icon and the name of the course, you will find the general channel, which is the main communication channel of the teacher, as has already been mentioned. Under this channel, the teacher may create a forum channel where all the students will have the possibility to chat inside the classroom. From the general channel, in the top bar you will find different tabs, and one of them is the access to Moodle, the gateway to the content of your course. When you click it, it may take a few seconds to open. Once you're in, expand or open Moodle in a browser with the icon in the upper right bar. This will allow you to work better. Inside Moodle, in the central area, you will find some general information, the program and the objectives of the course. Below, there are the tabs of the different topics and their learning paths. The first tab is the table of contents, from where you can get into the presentation, the grammar and the exercises of each unit. You can also get into the exercises from the tabs above. In addition, self-assessment exercises are presented at the end of each topic to see if you have achieved the content you have worked on. The tasks are speaking or writing activities that you will have to deliver when the teacher tells you to. Their resolution and mark will determine the completion of the course. On the right-hand side, you'll see the calendar where the delivery dates will be posted and other interesting events that the teacher may consider as some links that will be useful in your learning process. In addition, you'll find the link of the language volunteering website, which is a program to practice and improve your speaking. If you're interested, the teacher will give you more details about it. Let's get started.